saw this illumination, I went running here because it was irresistible. It seemed like in India, because such illumination lightings are there for Indian festivals or in marriages. So it was irresistible to not see this. Welcome to Fête de la Lumière, and Fête de la Lumière is Festival of Lights, which is the famous of France. So every year we never miss a chance to go to Lyon to visit this Festival of Lights, and it is usually 3 days, so we make sure we go for 2 days and enjoy. So Lumignon means small candle in French. So every year one association has been selected by the city of Lyon, one association for the Lumignons. And in 2018, this Dr. Clown, this association was selected for 2018 Fête de la Lumière. So rire in French means to laugh, and we all know that clowns make us laugh and smile and happy. Laughter is one of the best medicine, and it is the best therapy, and it is contagious also. So if you haven't seen this movie of Robin Williams, the movie Pat Adams, please watch it. So the Dr. Clown concept is exactly the same thing. In Dr. Clown, this association, there are the volunteer therapeutic artists, and they are specialized for the visiting the hospitalized children and treating them with care, friendship and love. These therapeutic clowns or the doctors, they create a very good bond, a friendship with the small kids who are hospitalized, and they are also the pediatric cancer patients, even in the neonatology, and also some degenerative disease of the pediatric cases also. So their association also, they have for the senior people, that is called as La Belle Visite. So they even help the senior people. Now laughter is the best medicine. Laughter and happiness can bring positive impact on our health, on our healing, and even our mindset. So the more happy, cheerful and positive, confident, optimistic our body will heal more quickly, and more likely these children are likely to get discharged from the hospital sooner. Also, these clowns make the children feel comfortable and friendly with the doctors and with the staff, and even they remove their fear of the medicines or the injections. These therapeutic clowns, they sing their friendly way, they talk with the children, they joke with them, they play music for them, and even they play games with the children. And every child is special with a special condition. So accordingly, the therapeutic artists, they are trained to entertain and make the child happy. So when we laugh, our body responds and sends so many positive endorphins and hormones that elevates our mood, our moral, and it also eliminates the fear, pain, and it brings the smile, laughter on the patient and their families. Now smile and laughter, this is a natural pain reliever medicine, and this is not just for the patient, for the children who are hospitalized, but also the siblings of the child, and also the family, the parents of the children. Now these clown doctors, they bridge the gap where the person feels sick, unpleasant, feared of sickness. They make these children feel more comfortable, friendly with the hospital environment and with the hospital staff, to release their anxiety and make them stress free. Now the idea behind this luminous decor is basically you need to buy a candle from them, the luminous, which is of €1, and the number of candles you light there, it helps this association, because this association is completely depending on funding of this therapeutic artist and even for this association. So it's a very beautiful concept. The number of it depends on you how many candles you want to light and how you want to help this association. I will surely put the description, the link in the description box, and you can check it out.
C'est celui que j'ai dansé dans tes bras.
Là-dedans. Oh, et voilà. Toujours marcher avec toi! Qu'est-ce qu'il fait d'autre, Guillaume? Il mord les mollets. Ah ouais, ouais, ça. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait de quoi? Oh, c'est vrai, il est rendu quoi?
So come with us to see this Le Lumino the Fur illumination, where all the candles have been placed. And next time when you come to Lyon to see the Fête de Lumière, please don't forget to place a candle here and help these associations as a solidarity.